If you're having trouble logging into Otter.ai, yeah, that can stop you from accessing your recordings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection because a weak or unstable connection can block login. Next, double check your email and password. Even a small typo can cause login failure. Try resetting your password. Yeah, this is the fastest way to recover your account if needed. Now clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Sometimes stored data can interfere with login. Make sure your account is active. View expired plans or restrictions can block access. If you're using the app, update it, or try logging in from the desktop version of Otter.ai. And that's it. These steps should fix most login issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.